Crypto Queen. I have a Facebook page of the same name. Twitter, it's XRP Crypto Queen. Just wanted to ask you to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification next to it and click on all if you get some value out of this. Today, I was going to talk about terminology in the atmosphere of cryptocurrency. And, well, I will get to that. However, I thought this was funny. I decided to check Twitter first. Also, I wanted to let you know, just because I know a lot of people click off really quick, so click down below, and if you want to sign up for a one-on-one meeting to either set up your cryptocurrency if you're a brand newbie, clarify or discuss methods to reach your goals, whatever the case may be. If you're having trouble, I know I was frustrated at first, that's what I'm here for. Also, I just want it to be known that I never recommend more than 5 to 10% of your net worth to be in cryptocurrency. I just wanted to clarify that because I was talking on the phone the other day with a client, and I thought that needs to be clarified in each and every video. So 5 to 10%. If you are a high-risk individual like myself, 15 to 20%. I put 10% in precious metals. The rest is investments, and I wait for the markets to just go up. I really feel for the older people right now because sometimes they have to take the money out of their investments. That's what they saved it for, and all the markets are not really doing all that well. Although we're going to see a bull market run soon. Don't quote me on that. I do not give financial advice. I just share simply what I do, okay? So if you don't have your crypto on a ledger yet, go in the description box down below. I have a link for your ledger. Everything is there to help you set it up. And I try to stick with basics for newbies, but I like to give the market overview for XRP, okay? So I just thought this was interesting that somebody on Twitter, the Twitterverse is so fun, posed this question. The fact that they would need a high price for ODL means on-demand liquidity, means that it could be at a settled price from the get-go, meaning when XRP in this SEC case settles, which it looks like it's imminent, that's what they mean by the settled price from the get-go. To facilitate the global economy, including XLM for retail. Entertain this. Okay, we got, all right, whatever. Bitcoin, but XRP, look at that. All right, so let's see what some of the guesses are. At least $500 for this use case. At the same level as Ethereum, which is around, I don't know what it is today, 1,300, something like that. I don't know. I didn't check today. I don't check every day, people. I just don't. 20 maybe at least, but hey, I'm greedy as F, so let's go to 100. All right. $20, $30 to $35, run up to 1,000, 100 to start, 100K by 2030, 23 cents first, then boom. That means take off like a rocket. $27 to $46. I think $2,200, about $30. $8 if it weren't for the SEC. $5.89 rockets, 20 minimum. $250 to $8,500. 0.001 maybe. Okay. $10 minimum. $5 20 $4.75. $1. $10. $5.89 or $2.45. Okay. $5.89. $3.60. 10K, $129, $13, $250, $5.89, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now you know why I don't make price predictions for XRP. I think they're totally ridiculous, and no one really knows. If I did, I would absolutely tell you. But who knows when this lawsuit will end? Who knows really when it will rocket? We don't know. What am I doing? I'm doing coin market cap. That's what I'm doing. So I just wanted to run through a few of the terminology things. It's a ODL, on-demand liquidity. That's a good one. Bags. That means whatever you're holding in any one crypto. Like I have a bag of XRP. It doesn't mean I need to state how much is in it, and I never tell anyone how much. Would you tell anyone how much you have either in the bank? And I sure hope you're not holding money in banks nowadays. Get your cash out of banks and put it into investments, whatever that means to you, whether it's EFTs, stocks, blah, blah, blah. Some in precious metals, as I said, 10%, 5 to 10% in crypto. It's kind of silly at this point. It's been around since 2009 not to have at least some holdings. I wish these notifications would stop. I tried to do the settings, but it's not holding. XRP is in a good buy position right now. I think anything under $5 is probably a good buy position, because when it does rocket, it's going to rocket. Doge is at 6 cents. I don't even know why I brought up Doge. I guess because years ago I bought some when it was 0.0000 something. And then remember it hit 73 cents. So yeah, I had a great time then. Matic is in a good position. AVAX. But I tend to stick with ISO 20022 coins. And if you don't know what that is, you can look up my video on that. Actually, I covered what I wanted to today, because I'm going to make a separate video about terminology within this industry. And I thought that Twitter information was just so funny, because, as you know, price predictions are all over the place. There are people that believe that Bitcoin is going to go away. There are people that think it's going to hit $500,000, okay, by 2030. So, you know, some of this you have to take with a grain of salt. However, when we're talking about XRP, XLM, XDC, ISO 20022 coins. And if you don't know what that means, I have a video on it. Take a look. Those are my predictions that are going to be hardcore usage, utility factors, and we are, I'm going to say they've been in usage or very heavy beta testing for quite a long time. And so we're going to see this wrap up, I'm guessing within the next 6 months with the SEC. That's my prediction. I'm not going to say it's wrapping right now as we speak, and I'm sure not going to say next year or whatever. In my opinion, it is just 3 to 6 months away. So get yourself some XRP. Again, not financial advice, simply sharing what I'm doing. But if you take a look at the difference between Swift and using something that will move money around the world in 3 to 4 seconds, boom, done. XRP is the platform, the ledger, XRPL. Okay, on that note, I'm going to wrap it right there. And thank you so much for being with me. I appreciate you all. And if you do want to do a one-on-one session, please let me know. You can get in touch with me on Facebook, on Twitter, or just simply comment here and I will arrange that. And you know, I may be stepping away from PayPal. I'm not sure yet. I've heard some not so good things about PayPal just lately, and I don't know. Let me know what you think. And on that note, I'm going to wrap it. Thanks so much. Ciao for now.